Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this mini chainsaw, 8-inch and 6-inch electric chainsaw cordless, baby. This is an upgraded brushless chainsaw and it comes with an automatic oiler. We have two pieces of 21-volt 2000 mAh batteries and it's compatible with the Makitas. The DocSmart handheld chainsaw for trees, branches, a trimming wood cutting tool. That's cool. 6 and 8 inches. Yeah. We have here a mini chainsaw cordless, perfect for trimming your trees. This mini electric chainsaw is equipped with the latest 800-watt brushless motor that has more torque, higher efficiency, faster heat dissipation, lower noise, and longer lifespan. With a cutting speed of 26 feet per second, this mini chainsaw cuts a 6-inch diameter log in just 8 seconds. Okay, the actual time may vary depending on the size and the hardness of the wood. DocSmart's mini battery chainsaw is equipped with two pieces of FCC and CE certified 21-volt 2000 mAh rechargeable lithium batteries. Each battery takes 2 hours of fully charge and can work for 30 minutes. This mini chainsaw is compatible with the Makita batteries on the market. And this is the big, really cool feature, I think. This chainsaw is equipped with an automatic chain lubrication system. We pour the oil into the oiler. We turn on the mini chainsaw to rotate the chain. Then the oil will automatically lubricate the chain. The auto oiler system is more convenient and faster than the traditional way, of course. And this chainsaw comes with a 6-inch chain and a guide, an 8-inch chain and a guide. This is allowing us to adjust the size of the chainsaw at any time according to different needs. We buy a DocSmart mini chainsaw and we get that too. 6-inch mini chainsaw and an 8-inch mini chainsaw in one. This is a hand chainsaw perfect for cutting firewood, pruning trees and branches. The cordless chainsaw is designed and lightweight, only 3.26 pounds, while the addition of a non-slip front handle allows this mini chainsaw to be easily operated with only one hand, even by women and adults and elders and so on, nearly for every person. And we have multiple safety protection. The safety lock prevents accidental starting of the electronic chainsaw. The safety baffle to prevent sawdust splashing. We have a pair of gloves to protect our hands. We added non-slip front handle. This helps us to get a firm grip of the chainsaw. We have goggles to protect our eyes from wood chips, and so on. It's really cool design. It comes with a brushless motor, long-lasting life. It stays sturdy, stable at all time. Stronger power output. The brushless motor delivers more power. It avoids overheating. It runs cooler or higher efficiency and high reliability, low noise and more power saving. With the brushless motor. Really cool. And of course we have 6-inch and 8-inch saws. We adjust the length of the chain at any time according to our needs. And a big bunch of battery powered. We have included two pieces of 2000 mAh rechargeable lithium battery. This working time 30 minutes, charging time 2 hours. But we can additionally add our Makita access to it. And the lubrication system. We pour the oil into the oiler and turn on the chain. And it will automatically lubricate the chain. After pouring the oil, we should tighten the cap of the oil in time to prevent oil from leakage out. That's a cool fact. And we have added a front handle. The front handle gives us a firm grip while cutting and helps with the cutting itself. And an ergonomic handle. The rubber handle is non-slip designed, wear resistant and shock absorbing. And we adjust the chain tension really easy. We loosen the nut. The two nuts, then we turn the knob to a quick chain tension adjustment. Job's done. Really cool. And we can replace, of course, easy to chain. Easy peasy. The small chains comes with a 6-inch chain and a guide and an 8-inch chain and a guide. This allowing us to adjust the size of the chain this at any time according to the different needs what we need. Of course, it's really cool. And fast heat dissipation. This preventing the chain from being damaged due to excessive temperatures and extended the life of the chainsaw itself. And we have a rotatable protective baffle. The baffle prevents the sawdust from splashing while we're cutting trees and trimming branches. And we have a power display. Real-time display of the battery during the using operation at the mini chainsaw. Easy peasy. And we have a sturdy suitcase. This chainsaw comes in a case that holds everything so the piece don't get lost. Easy storage and of course easy to carry. And it's ideal for trimming trees, branches of various sizes. And it's lightweight and portability allows us to make precise cuts for our yard maintenance or home renovation. No problem. Home repairs and maintenance. Easy cut various types of wood for home repairs, renovations, and DIY projects. And of course, the big thing is cutting woods. This mini chainsaw features a powerful brushless motor and sharp cutting blades that can handle small branches on the logs with ease, baby. With ease, it comes through that wood. The voltage of this device is 20-volt voltage. Then we have 650 watt of power, up to 800 watt. Chain speed is 11 meter per second. The cutting ability is 100 millimeter. The guide plate is 8-inch or 6-inch. The chain is 1/4 inches. Sprocked 7 of them. And the lubrication oil filling method is automatic, baby. So you can see, easy peasy, but take care of your fingers because this is a chainsaw, a mini chainsaw, which you can use for gardening, DIY projects, renovation, and so on. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.